Namaste, all the viewers and friends. We have stepped into March, and March celebrates Women's Day. So I wish all the women out there exhibiting their extraordinary strength and endurance in meeting the demands of their life. So a woman has that strength like earth to support and to nurture. But in the process, women can go through lots of ups and downs in her health, in her mental health as well as physical health. This could be because of her lifestyle, of her approach to life. It could be because of the stressful demands of life, and of course her response to these demands of life, how she responds to the stressors of life. So what problems she might face will depend on what life cycle stage she is in. From puberty, from menarche to her entering her pregnancy, during her pregnancy, which is the antenatal period, post-pregnancy, which is postpartum or postnatal period, and years after that until she enters her stage of menopause. So what are the changes that she is usually susceptible to is mostly the hormonal imbalances of the body, which can be due to the lifestyle that she has, her eating style, her physical activity, and of course stress induced hormonal imbalances of the body. And what are the symptoms that she will see? She will see irregular menstrual cycles with either excessive bleeding, pain, clots, a lot of mood swings during periods, PCOD, which can lead to infertility, and other idiopathic causes of infertility are also there, which will make it difficult for the woman to conceive. And during her pregnancy, she will have psychological ups and downs with anxiety or depression. She can also get into other metabolic disorders like diabetes during her pregnancy, which can carry forward to even post-pregnancy time. And of course, weight issues, and as she enters the menopause, where there's a lot of hormonal imbalance, she can get into sleeplessness, depression, hot flushes, excessive weight gain, and so on and so forth. So what can be done for this is that she should change her approach to life. That is one of the main things, her lifestyle, her food habits, and her response to stresses, of course. With this, she needs to seek supportive treatments. Like whenever need be, she needs to take certain medications or get into yoga lifestyle, practice yoga with awareness, seek acupuncture, because acupuncture will definitely help in bringing her energies into balance, and other alternative systems of medicine as well, like Ayurveda, homeopathy. All of this will definitely be supportive therapies and treatments for her to manage all of these stressful events in life. With that, I'm sure all women out there will recognize their strengths and also recognize their responsibilities in seeking help when in need. So with that, I bid again, I wish all of you a very happy Women's Day, and thank you very much.